promise, just to know thus says the Lord. It is so sweet to trust in Jesus, just to take him at his word. It is so sweet. It is so sweet. It is so sweet just to rest upon his promises. It is so sweet to hear this voice that says, thus says the Lord. It is so sweet. Awufunzeke nangamaswiti. Where is the microphone? Because we are recording. Because live mhlanga libuswa umthetho. Libuswa umthetho. Live libuswa umthetho. Hayibo. Live libuswa yini manje? Alibuswa ngema-feelings. Alibuswa ifiso. Lesfiso must be interpreted to a law. Somebody let the fees on the but the wishes must be interpreted to a law. And then you can do it or not.
Jesus.
Lapha ngesikhanza icodes Skazingandolo is about to pass a law. Yasesulwini awufunzeke manje, funza medeni.
Ngathi ngisabukile.
Ihlalo
tebukhosi tabekwa ngabononini.
Ihlalo tebukhosi asisiso sinye tabekwa ngabononina.
Lophila phakathe naphakathe wahlala kusakhe.
Nalophila phakathe naphakathe waletha sakhe usabekwa wahlala.
Yembatho takhe tatimhlophe njengangagcwala.
Sushana. Qhubeka.
Inwele tenhloko yakhe tatimhlophe njengeboya betimvu.
Qhubeka.
Sihlalo sakhe sebukhosi sasivutha emalangeni.
Verse 10. Okay, qhubeka.
Nemasondlo aso onke abelavuka emalangeni.
Eli 10.
Kwakugeleta